Among the vastness of the night sky, there are constellations that everyone knows. Orion the Hunter, the Big Dipper, and even Scorpius. But what if I told you there is a constellation so small, so faint, it's often overlooked by even the most seasoned stargazers? This is the Universe Factory, and welcome to the newest episode in your Constellations and Asterisms series. We have discussed few constellations before, make sure to check out here if you missed. Also, before we begin, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified with the latest updates. We are on social media platforms as well, links to which have been mentioned down in the description below. Be sure to check out. Constellation Caelum might not be as famous as Orion or Taurus, but it holds its unique place in astronomical history. Named by French astronomer Nicolas Louis de Lacaille in the 18th century, Caelum represents a sculptor's Chiesel, a symbol of art and creation carved out of the heavens themselves. Its name comes from the Latin word of Chiesel, but you might wonder why a Chiesel? Lacaille was fascinated with representing the tools of scientists and artists in the stars. But Caelum's story is not just about tools or stars. It is about the explorers of the cosmos who first mapped it and the spirit of human creativity it symbolizes. The constellation of Caelum is bordered by Dorado and Pictor to the south, Horologium and Eridanus to the east, Lepus to the north and Columba to the west. Covering only 125 square degrees, it ranks 81st of the 88 modern constellations in size. Its main asterism consists of 4 stars, and 20 stars in total are brighter than magnitude 6.5. Now locating Caelum is no easy task. It's one of the smallest and faintest constellation in southern hemisphere. Nestled between Columba and Eridanus, it best viewed in the southern hemisphere during the months of January and February. With its brightest star only a magnitude of 4.45, Caelum doesn't dazzle like some of its neighbors. But in a clear, dark sky away from the city lights, the true beauty of Caelum emerges. Think of it like finding a rare treasure hidden in plain sight. Caelum's stars may be faint, but they still hold fascinating stories. And although its stars don't form spectacular patterns, they remind us that not all constellations have to shine the brightest to matter. Its brightest star, Alpha Caeli, is a double star system located around 66 light-years away. Parallax measurements of the Gaia spacecraft imply a distance of 20.4 parsecs to Alpha Caeli. Gamma Caeli is a double star with a red giant primary of magnitude 4.58 and a secondary of magnitude 8.1. The primary is 55.59 parsecs from Earth. The two components are difficult to resolve with small amateur telescope because of their difference in visual magnitude and their close separation. 3 other stars in Caelum are still occasionally referred to by their Bayer designations, although they are only on the edge of the naked eye visibility. Due to its small size and location away from the plane of the Milky Way, Caelum is rather devoid of deep sky objects and contains no Messier objects. The only deep sky object in Caelum to receive much attention is HE 04502958, an unusual Seyfert galaxy. Originally, the jet's host galaxy proved elusive to find, and this jet appeared to be emanating from nothing. Although it has been suggested that the object is an ejected supermassive black hole, the host is now agreed to be a small galaxy that is difficult to see due to the light from the jet and a nearby starburst galaxy. Here are some fun facts about the constellation of Caelum. Did you know that Caelum ranks as one of the least known constellations, but its name appears in art and literature as a symbol of craftsmanship? Even though Caelum's stars are dim, astronomers have discovered exoplanets orbiting some of its stars, proving that even the quietest parts of the sky have secrets. So why does Caelum matter? It's not about how bright it shines or how easy it is to find. It is a reminder that the night sky is full of wonders, both grand and subtle. It teaches us to look beyond the obvious and appreciate the beauty of the quiet and the small. Have you ever seen Caelum? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you got to learn something new and something different today in this video. And if you enjoyed this exploration of one of the lesser known constellations, hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon for more cosmic adventures. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos for you. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. The universe is waiting, but until then, keep looking up.